Hello and welcome to a draw with me, but with a little twist. The company UGEE sent me their UT3 Fun Drawing Pad that I will review in this video. I will do a little unboxing of this thing and then also review how it's like. Without further ado, shall we start? Let's open it up. As you can see, it also comes with the Smart Folio case, the case that goes on top of the actual tablet. So you do not have to buy that separately, which is really nice because otherwise you'd be like, drawing directly, like placing the tablet directly on the table, and it may damage the tablet over time. But let's first open the tablet itself. Good thing that the box itself also has some padding on the inside, so the screen stays protected, even during shipping. This is huge. I think it's like the same screen size you would have if you have a laptop. It even has a camera on the back, so it's an actual tablet you have, not like those big drawing computers that you need an extra computer for to work. So this is a very big plus point, because when I first started searching for digital drawing tablets, I came across the problem that there aren't any standalone tablets that are like specially made for drawing but don't require an actual PC. So this is really nice. No, fun fact, me and my mother just came back from Japan, and like literally with just, I mean just in a literal sense. Like yesterday night we arrived at home, and now look at me, already back to work. Okay, this is what their case is looking like. From appearance, it really reminds me of a normal tablet you would have, but it is 5 times bigger than that. Let's remove the protective film, ready for another ASMR. That was quite hard. Also has a protective film on the back camera. So this would be the tablet itself. It's really nice that you have, like, on the bottom you have these little things that really like place the tablet into the case, so it doesn't like just slide down like that. And you can already see the anti-glare screen. Wow. So it's like a matte finish, and this will give you the feel as if you were drawing on paper. Let's continue seeing what's in the box. So we got the charging thingy, essential in order to use an electronic device, and the stylus as well as the cable for the charging. Oh, we got more than that. So we got the cable for the charging. Then we got a glove to use so our fingerprints do not, or like the oils on our fingers do not transfer to the tablet, which is great. A warranty card, a manual, a quick guide, the stylus pen, and last but not least, 2 extra nibs and a thing to change the nibs. The tablet is currently charging over there, but one thing I noticed while I was putting on this glove is that the glove has extra padding for the smaller finger, so it's like a nicer feeling while you're drawing. It's not like a direct glove on the screen. This one has an extra padding, so I think this will make it like feel nicer to draw on it as well. This point, UGEE, great job!
One eternity later.
I kind of customized the home screen because the first one was just not it. And while I was customizing, I saw that they have some drawing apps pre-installed, so we're gonna use those. They have this AI paintball. I don't know about that. They got Ibis paint, but what caught my eye is Medibank paint. I love that app. We're gonna draw with this one. Because the case doesn't allow the tablet to go further than this angle, I will probably just put something between like in this space so I can like move the tablet even further like this so my wrist doesn't end up hurting. Okay, we switched angles. Let's turn off the Wi-Fi so we don't get any ads. I forgot how the interface of Medibank works. I don't know how to access like sketch pens. I guess we're just gonna work with the pink one. Oh, okay, never mind. I found them. So in here, the UT3 is an immersive 14.25-inch display with a U pencil and a smart folio included, and it will feel apparently like you're drawing on paper. It is supposedly giving you a next level tablet experience. It also has an anti-glare screen and contains 8 GB plus 265 GBs as well. Hello, voice over me here. Sorry, excuse me, I got a little more sick than before. But I just wanted to say that while I was sketching around, it was very nice. And because the display was so huge, I didn't have a problem to just doodle freely. But I think without the pencil case, I wouldn't be able to draw this comfortable because otherwise my wrist would not like it and it would start to hurt after a while. Also, I don't know what's up with the video quality. It just happened to get this weird pixely way while I was editing it, and you can see between cuts that it's kind of glitching. So I'm sorry for that. But now I won't talk any longer. So please enjoy the rest little doodling that I'm doing here. Surprise! I'm starting a new drawing. Because I don't work with Medibank paint that much, it's kind of hard to, adjust to the interface. You may hear my voice, I'm kind of sick. So we're just gonna draw something simple. But I can tell you my impressions so far. So, I really like that it is like a normal tablet that we would have. And the matte finish actually gives it like a nice surface to draw on, other than like the iPad or like another iPad or like drawing pad you would usually have. Those feel like you can feel that you're drawing on glass, but here you can it feels like not really paper, but it does feel nicer. Drawing with the pen is also really easy. I accidentally always kind of press these buttons, but I don't think they're assigned to anything, so whenever I press them, nothing really happens. I think it's an on and off button. I have to do some more research about that. But yeah. So the drawing feels really nice. The screen itself is, I would say, pretty high quality. You do not see any pixels. If you have a bigger drawing tablet, you may know that if you really go into detail, you do see the screen pixels. But on this one, do you see these pixels because I didn't have a big canvas set for this drawing, but it's really nice and smooth, and it's you can draw intuitively without worrying that you cannot touch the screen or anything, because here you are able to touch the screen since it's a normal tablet that you are drawing on. But the wide screen gives, of course, more space to draw on, and also makes it easier to just navigate your screen, because this is one thing that I was like struggling with when I first switched over from my tablet to my bigger drawing tablet, that you cannot just have a touch screen and like move around things, but on this one you can, and this is like, that's really nice. I do, however, wish that maybe the pen would have like a nicer touch to it. I think it's also like a matter of like getting used to stuff, right? Something about the like drawing process, I feel like that the brushes are sort of delayed. I'm not sure, but it does feel like that sometimes, and I'm not sure if it's because of the app itself, but it like sometimes like draws after I place the brush. So it could also be like an app problem, or like the file size, or maybe also like the brush itself. Well, we can test it out right now. I can like, I go to another app. For example, if I go to Ibis Paint now and I draw something, it should draw nicely. But here there's also like this thing where it is sort of delayed, but this also again could be because of the brush itself. Now if I would take a brush that doesn't have this smoothing in it, maybe it would like draw directly. I'm thinking about like a sketching brush. I'll just use this flat brush for now. It's a small delay, but I feel like this is also because of the brush itself. Okay, so there is a small delay, but honestly I don't really mind, because whenever I draw on my bigger tablet on UGEE Paint, it also has delays, but that is because of the device itself and like the canvas size I draw with. But still, this is like nice, and as you can see, it's like pretty accurate. And one thing that this tablet and my bigger drawing tablet have in common is that you can see the cursor before like putting it on the screen. That kind of like shows you the accuracy on where the nib will like land on. So that's also really nice. You know what? I think we're just gonna continue drawing on Ibis Paint. Let's start a new project. We're gonna do it like canvas sized. Okay, maybe not canvas sized, but you know what I mean. So what I really like about this tablet is that you can just take it with you. So it's really portable. This one, I would call this a hybrid between my bigger tablet and my smaller pad. Because it is like, it has the normal features. It's like you can watch YouTube on it, you can play games on it, you can draw on it, which is really nice. And it has like a nice pen, and you can change the nib of them, and it has like a button you can press to switch between brush and eraser. But the thing is, I don't have that configured yet, but I will do that later. You just saw that like whenever I draw something like in a small area, it thinks that I want to pick the color, so that's sort of annoying sometimes. But I think it's also like a question of getting the hang of it or not. And sometimes, again, whenever I zoom out, it thinks that I'm pressing with my two fingers, and then kind of like undoes my thing in my drawing. I always find it like so interesting that sometimes you think you have art block, but then after all it's just the drawing app you're working with. For example, when I used to draw with Procreate, I love Procreate, and the fact that you can like have multiple brushes that just like download for free. But the thing is, I switched to Clip Studio Paint one day, and after that I do struggle to draw like very detailed stuff on Procreate because the brushes are just not the same. And you can see this example live right now. I was drawing on Medibank Paint, but it just didn't feel the same as if I would be drawing on like here. The brushes are just like very crucial when it comes to, like for me, very crucial when it comes to the art flow, like how a drawing will turn out in the end. Because honestly, if the brush isn't right, then I do struggle with drawing anything. Enjoy this little speed paint. While little speed paint me is doing her thing, let me tell you some more things that I really like about this tablet. So first of all, you can draw for hours without feeling like a strain in your eye. Their TÜV Rheinland Eye Comfort certification reduces eye strain and protects your vision during, as I said, long use. So that is great, a win for the artists. Also, it doesn't matter how much you tilt the actual pencil, it will still pick up your drawing or like your stroke as it is. So you don't have to worry about drawing in one specific angle or like holding the pencil in one specific angle. And because this motivates me to draw even more, I of course need to save all the drawings, right? And what better way is there than saving on this device with 256 gigabytes. It is awesome. I love it.
Hey there, it's me, the sick version again. But I just wanted to comment on what you're seeing right now. So I did change up on the sketch. I drew a small little lady, angel lady to be exact. I wanted to see how sharp the lines can get. Talking about pressure sensitivity and also like speed sensitivity. Concerning the pressure sensitivity, I'd say it's pretty nice. Depending on the brush, of course, you really get to have like really thin lines and also thicker lines. I did struggle with it a little bit in the beginning, but eventually I did get the hang of it. And as you can see, I used very vibrant colors for this drawing to see how the colors actually look on the tablet. And I have to say, I am pleasantly surprised with the colors. They look exactly how I imagined them to look like, and they're not dull or anything. Because this tablet also has like 3 modes you can set it to. One is like ink mode, one is regular mode, and one is like similar to a reading mode. This is more of the saturated mode, and you can tell that it is saturated. And that's a wrap. This was my review on the UT3 tablet from UGEE. Thank you so much to UGEE for sending me this tablet to review. And I have to say, I am pleasantly surprised all the way. And if you happen to like this tablet as well, you can check the link in my description below and use the code NWRART10 for 10% off on your tablet. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you don't mind, you might as well, and if you liked it, you might as well give this video a thumbs up, and maybe if you would like to subscribe to my channel, I would really appreciate that. So I'd say see you till next time, right?